signals our body sends to tell us that something is wrong with our diet. Are you following the right diet plan? Hello friends! Before you start watching our videos, don't forget to subscribe to us and press the bell icon beside the subscription button to get notified every time on YouTube. A good diet is key to good health. A healthy and balanced diet can keep you away from numerous health problems and provide you with energy to do the daily chores. But how do we know that what we are eating is right for us? Weight gain is one of the most common signals that tell us there is something wrong with our diet. But certainly weight gain is not the only way by which your body is giving you signals to switch your eating habits or to incorporate other foods in your diet. Here are 8 possible signals that your body is giving you to change your eating habits. Bad breath. Bad breath can be pretty embarrassing. A majority of people have bad breath in the morning, which is normal. But if you experience the same during the daytime, then that means you are not eating enough food. Bad breath can be a result of a metabolic process called ketosis. When the body does not have enough glucose to produce energy, it burns the stored fat, which results in the formation of ketones, which can be responsible for bad breath. Cracks at the corner of the mouth. Small cracks that appear at the corner of your mouth can be due to iron deficiency. Do not lick your lip, rather use Vaseline for some days. If you do not get relief, meet a doctor. Also, include iron-rich food in your diet. Constipation. If you often feel constipated, then your body might be signaling you to drink more water. Include more fiber and water in your diet for a regular bowel movement. Fiber attracts water, which helps the stool to pass easily from the body. Hair loss. Thinning of hair and hair loss is a very common problem these days. One of the reasons you might be experiencing hair loss could be because of iron deficiency. Iron produces red blood cells, which store and carry oxygen in the blood. If your body is deficient in iron, you might experience hair loss and sluggishness. If this is the case with you, add iron-rich foods such as broccoli, chickpeas, and red meat in your diet. The need to use the loo frequently. This is not because you are drinking a lot of water, but it is just the opposite. Dehydration can make you rush to the loo again and again. Less intake of water can irritate your bladder and increase your number of trips to the loo. You always feel cold. No matter whether it is winter or summer, if you are someone who always needs a sweater, then it is time to change your diet. This can be due to a low-carb diet. Having low-carb foods can have a negative impact on your thyroid, which regulate your body temperature. Add whole grain bread and pasta in your daily routine if you feel cold all the time. You are always in a bad mood. If you are always irritated and cranky, this might be due to your unhealthy diet. Less intake of carbs can lower down your blood sugar level and eventually make you cranky. Add more carbs to your meal. This will make you feel satisfied and you will experience fewer mood swings. You always feel tired. One of the reasons why you are feeling sluggish could be because you are having too much sugar. Eating a lot of complex carbohydrates can suddenly make you feel tired and low on energy. This happens because your sugar initially increases the insulin level that is followed by a dip in blood sugar level, which can make you feel less energetic. And if you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up.